In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Carrd. First, open your browser and head to the Carrd dashboard. From here, start fresh by selecting New Site. This takes you straight into Carrd's template library, which is the fastest way to build a polished page without touching code. Across the top, you'll see template categories. Click into Profile to explore clean, personal pages that work well for bios and link hubs. Next, check out Landing for single-page marketing sites designed to highlight a product or announcement. Move over to Form if your main goal is collecting signups or inquiries. These layouts prioritize fields and clear calls to action. Browse Portfolio to see image-forward designs for showcasing projects or artwork. And finally, open Section to view multi-block layouts with distinct sections for features, testimonials, and contact. Once you've browsed, select the design that best matches your goal. Use the preview to make sure the structure feels right, then choose it to open the editor. Now customize the details. Click any text to rewrite headlines, descriptions, and buttons so they sound like you. Update links to point to your socials, calendar, or store. In the sidebar, adjust colors, fonts, and spacing to match your brand. Small tweaks like increasing contrast and bumping up body text can dramatically improve readability. Replace background images or shapes if the template includes them, and keep your palette to 2 or 3 core colors for a consistent look. Next, upload your images. Select an image element, choose Replace, and add high-quality files. Square or 3:2 ratios work well for galleries. Compress large images so the page loads quickly. Rename files clearly and add descriptive labels where available to keep things organized and accessible. If your photos feel dark, use Carrd's overlay and opacity controls to make text stand out. With your images in place and your copy refined, you're done a customized Carrd site tailored to your purpose.